Hi, in this video, I will show you how to enhance photo quality in Android. So this is actually a fast and easy way to do it. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here into our actual phone and then make sure to open your camera settings. And then from your camera, you can find your settings by going over right here onto the upper right corner. We have in here the gear icon. That is our settings. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto that icon. Once you're in there, you can see a lot of settings that you can choose from. So what we can do in right here is to just change it to the highest ratio possible. So for this one, we have in here the general for the video, but since we just want the photo quality, you can find in here the general option. So for this one, what you can do is you can just head over and then make sure to turn on the assistive grids, horizontal level, and you can also use mirror reflection and the likes. So if you want to actually change up your resolution as well as your frame rate, you can click onto this resolution and choose the highest one possible. The highest that I can do is 1080 pixels, while for the frame rate, you can actually choose from 60 or 30 if you have that. But since I only have 30, we should be able to actually change it into like this. So just change your settings into the highest settings possible and you should be able to enhance your photo quality. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.